What up, what up, what up? All right, y'all, guess what? We back with another one. All right, this is a 2003 Toyota Camry. I believe it is an XLE with a 4-cylinder engine. I believe it is a 2.4. I don't have my gimbal today or my tripod, so I'm walking it this time, y'all. So if it's a little shaky, just blame it on that. Yes, it's a Camry XLE, blue in color. Has approximately 131,000 miles. It does have a nice little dimple right here in the door. There's a dimple in the door, don't be surprised. Excuse the wheels, I just got tires put on today. Actually just left the tire shop, so they were clean prior, but they're dirty now. The tires that were on there were all dry rotted and basically the tread was coming off, so that just was not safe, so I had to go ahead and spring for the new tires. Let's take a look at the engine since we over here. Alright, there we go. Here's our lovely 4-cylinder. This one doesn't need much. It sat for a while though. I'm guarantee you that. It sat quite a while. But miles are extremely low. It runs and drives pretty well. I put about 100 miles on it thus far. The lights are good. Fog lights work. It does have the clip coat on the roof peeled off, and a lot of it had like tree sap on it. So during detailing, they pulled all the tree sap off, but it also pulled whatever clear was coming off of there too. But that doesn't stop the car from running. So we have leather seats. Got leather seats with rear vents for the AC. This is a little cool fact right here that I just saw. It has rear sunshade, but when the car sits, you know, clips and things start to break because cars are made to be driven. So the previous owner had some wire hangers on there to help it. That was pretty cool with the shades. I believe these seats fold down. I ain't gonna mess with it. Anyway, I believe the seats fold down. Power windows. Power seats. Seats are in very good shape. No rips, no tears. Just some cracks because it is a 2003. Power windows, power locks, mirrors. Let's get in. Let's look at the mileage. Okay, so to date I put 105.4 miles. The odometer reads 131,641. As you can see, it's not overheating. Another one with some gas. Getting better at that. AC works, blows cold. Heat operates. So you got AC. Switch it to auto. See how it kicked on. See, radio works. Yeah, I don't like that either. So that works. Clock works. Temperature gauge works. It's got airbag. Here's the passenger seat. It's got its own little light wear on it. 13-year-old detailed this one, man. So y'all gotta credit that to him. I think he did all right. Got the arm. Oh no. He ain't clean the armrest, y'all. He ain't clean the armrest. So I'm cleaning that out before y'all get it. He ain't clean the armrest. I'm gonna have to get on him. I'm gonna have to dock his pay. I have to dock my baby pay for that. He ain't clean out the armrest. I'm gonna have to go home and let him know. The armrest ain't clean. We got female courtesy napkins up in there, John. Tail lights work. Turn signals work. Look at that, he did the trunk. Look at that, go ahead, baby. He did the trunk. The trunk is clean. There we go. All right, y'all. I know what you want to get to. Chris, where the leaks? Where the leaks at, Chris? Show me underneath so we can see the leaks. Let's see. Let's get up under there. It's got a shield under it, but you don't see anything on the shield. That's to let you know. Now on this one, ain't no damn leaks. Ain't no leaks. So, about to hop in. Okay, it's already running. Grab my water. Let you guys get a good look at it. Hop in. Take a short little test drive. So I ain't gonna even start the video. We're gonna be continuous. So, got the tires. They are mixed match, but hell, they got tread on them. The last one was separating. They were 10 years old. I believe the manufacturer date on it was 2011. This is 21. So yeah, 10-year-old tires ain't gonna cut it. They have plenty of tread, and that tread's gonna fall off too. Now I can't have that on my conscience. Chris sold me a car, and then all the tread from the tires came off. Nah, son. You know we don't roll like that. Power window that works. Power locks when you lock the door. I mean, when you go into gear. Turn around. I'm scrubbing my new tires now. Alright. Which way we go? Which way we go? We're gonna go this way. Turn this fan down a little bit. Put on max code though. I want y'all to be able to hear the car. Speed bump. Turn signal. No rattle, rattle, thunder, clatter, boom, boom, boom. Shields properly. So the tires that are on this that I just got put on are used tires because just the tread of the other tires were just, they were actually gonna come off. The tire was separating from itself basically, and it was just unsafe. So excuse me, I had to get this water out the way. So I had to get some used tires. They didn't have all the same brand or tread tires, so the car may not track as straight as you like, but you don't have to worry about the tire separating and blowing up on you until you get some new ones. Then you get some new ones, get the line, you're good to go. Back to the test drive. What's the stoplight? We're gonna make it right this time. I was hoping we was gonna make the light. Complete stop, we follow the law. We're gonna find somewhere where we can get this thing up to speed a little bit. So y'all can really see how it's gonna act. But for right now, this is just, you know, a little everyday drive, run to the stove real quick. You know, that's typically when things happen, when you just run into the stove. Watch out that gum show. It's got good brakes. Now it has good tires. The previous owner just got the oil change done. I'll show you that in a second. So get over here where I can stop real quick, and I'll show you. So this is where they got it done at, right here. They got it done on 12/21/2020, about 3 months ago, and that was the mileage, 135, 190 is the next interval, and we are still at 131,642. So you got approximately 3,500 miles to go, mileage-wise, on the oil change. So the oil is fresh. This guy don't know where you want to go. Okay. Now we crossed over into Mexico. We're gonna get ourselves up to speed a little bit. braking, so there's no excessive vibration in the steering wheel while braking. Make a sharp left. So I'm gonna brake hard. Some hard braking. With the steering wheel, no shaking in the steering wheel. So that lets you know your rotors and your brakes pads are good. Turn signal, go to a hard stop. Good temp, heat, AC work, all the indicators work, no check engine lights. This will have current emissions. By the time you see this video, it'll have current emissions. Power seats work. It does have a light tint on the windows. I mean, it's whatever. It's whatever. The mirror shows your direction, so it's pretty cool. Got your map lights and everything. But this is it, guys. It's a 2003 Toyota Camry XLE with a 2.4 4-cylinder engine, approximately 131,650 miles, let's call it. And it'll be up for sale very, very, very soon. If you're watching this video, it's probably already up for sale now. This is nice, man. So, McMath Autos, Team McMath. Website is www.mcmathautos.com. Instagram is McMath Autos. Facebook is McMath Autos. And you're probably viewing this on YouTube, which is Team McMath, McMath Autos. Our number is 404-719-8355. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, share. We get vehicles in weekly. So this is just another one, another product we try to put out, good product. Try to get people in nice cars, nice daily driver, A to B cars. Nothing too fancy, nothing like, you know, a Challenger or nothing. But you'll get a Camry. All right, so we out. Peace.